Hello my friends from YouTube, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you the sound of a bad hard drive. All these hard drives are really bad. Everything you do is in your own risk. I am not responsible for any damage that you cause to your device. These are videos for education purpose only. Okay, so I'm using this USB drive mate. I like this one because it has three different connections for three different hard drives. This cable goes to the USB in your computer, and this one goes to the power. You can see right there, that's the power. And right here, see, I have it, this USB. I'm gonna connect it to my computer. Okay. And then I'm gonna connect them. Okay, all of these are SATA connections, so we're gonna use the SATA connections here. It has a small connection and like a little larger connection here. So let me show you. And I'm using Windows 7. Okay. I don't know if you can hear, but it has like a clicking, and nothing shows in the screen. So that means the hard drive, this hard drive is not good anymore. And let me show you another one. Same thing, it's SATA. I don't know if you can hear, but it's clicking too. So it's bad and nothing on the screen. Now let's check the other ones. So that means it's bad, nothing on the screen. This one is same thing. This one doesn't sound, but right there. You see, doesn't show anything in the screen too. So it's bad. Okay. So these 4 hard drives are damaged, and I have this one that is good. So same thing. Okay. No clicking, and it will pop up in the screen. You see right there, that's the first screen. We close this window, and right here is local disk E. So you see this one is working and not clicking. Okay, so that's the way you check your hard drive to see if it's good with the external adapter. To disconnect the adapter, just disconnect the hard drive, disconnect the USB and the power, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe, give me a like, and thank you so much.